Okay, hello everyone. So today we got an Ibanez Electric T0D10 1P-01. So coming in for pro setup. Initially the guitar is a bit high, the action, so I bring it down to make it a bit more playable. Yeah, so the specifics, I want it to be very playable. So the way I set this up is that it goes as low as possible with the least amount of buzzing. Yeah, so stay tuned to the end. I see you at the end of the video. Take care, bye. Okay, setup is done. Set to floating. This is TOD10 1P-01. Very good. Okay, so the action was a bit high. Initially it was more than 3.5. Right now on the 12th fret, it's actually just touching 1 mm on the bass side and 1.25 on the treble side. Lay of the neck is straight with slight relief. From the 12th fret onwards is straight, set to floating. Initially I thought the output was a bit low, but yeah, I forgot that the distance for the pickups from the strings for the previous setup was very high, so that's why it's lacking of output. Okay, but it's fine now. It's nice and it's balanced. So this is the note test. Let's get this out of the way. So okay, slight buzzing, but this is because he wanted playability. So this is a bit only of the buzzing. It doesn't go through the amp, as low as it can go with minimal buzzing. But if let's say he wants to really clean it out, I can raise this to a bit more just to clear off the buzzing, which is not a big issue. It's just to see whether he is comfortable playing this guitar or not. But 3.5 to 1 is actually a big difference in terms of setup and playability. So I think he'll be fine with this. Okay, cool. So this is the neck. Very clean tone. Treble. Okay, strings are Elixir 946. These are still pretty new, that's why is out of tune right now slightly. The string is still stretching. Give it a few days of tuning and stretching, then it will be fine. Okay, good. I hope you like it. Personally I like the neck pickup with the distortion. Something like that. Okay, if you like the work done, don't forget to subscribe to see more. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me via WhatsApp 84189951. I hope to see you soon. Bye.